Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to install apps through APK files on your Android device. So the first thing we have to do is go to Files, and in Files there are two ways to do this. One way is to go to Apps, then on Apps on the top right corner you will see App Install APK files, and here are the APKs to install. We just tap. Another method is to go back and go to the source file. So my APKs are found in the downloads folder. So go to downloads, and here is an APK. Tap on it, then you can install it. So we can install by just tapping on it, but Google will not allow us to install it. Android devices are by default installed through Google Play Store, and it will ask us if we trust the source. So to do this, we'll tap on settings and we will tap on allow from the source. We will toggle it to allow from the source and then tap on install, and our app will be installing, and it is installed. So we can go back and check if it's installed, and here it is. Subway Surfers has been installed. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.